you ready for another 3-second install? Let's get into this pre-everything wig. Let's jump into this pre-everything wig from Myfirstwig. Before we do, let's do a quick unboxing. So this wig comes in a box and then this bag that you can store it in when you're not using it. It comes with an instruction guide on how to wear your wig and a kit that you can use to help install your lace wig. They also add a wig cap, but it's not my complexion, so I'm just going to toss it to the side. And of course, the wig itself. Alright, so this is the pre-everything wig. This is their new style. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. The hair is 16 inches on this one and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is a 13x6 cap. That means more parting space and more lace. It also comes with pre-bleached knots. Look how tiny those knots are, and as you can see, the lace is already cut, so you don't even need to do that. And it's also cut in the back, so all you have to do is put it on and you instantly have a 3-second install. So I'm just gonna put this on. No glue is needed. And as you can see, the hairline, the knots, everything looks like scalp. Even parting it, you can part it any which way you want to, all the way to the side if you would like. And the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's so soft actually. So you can wear this wig straight out the box. All I have to do is just touch it up, kind of push the hair back just a little bit, because just sitting in a box, of course, you know, it can become all over the place. So all you have to do is just straighten it up and go. Like, there's not a lot of work you have to do to this wig because it's already done. Now, I honestly felt like the hair straight out the box is just tapered so well. It's almost like they feathered the ends. It just looks so good. You'll see that in a second when I show you guys the back. But the hair don't even need to be washed. It smells amazing. It's clean, and you don't need to do anything to it. I'm going to put this wig link in the description box for you guys with all the details. You can go on the website and see the other options that they have available for this style. Of course, it comes in different lengths, and it also comes, I believe, in like different cap sizes also. So as you can see, absolutely no glue. You can take it up, you can place it back down, and it just looks really good by itself. You don't need to mess it up by adding any glue to it. I mean, you can if you want to. You can add a little tape to the sides if you would like to. But for the most part, if you want the most natural look with this wig, just wear it glueless, okay? As you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's like on there. Here's the back, and when I tell you, the hair is so gorgeous, so much body, and I just love the density. The density is very natural looking. As you can see, the ends are, like I said, feathered. Looks really good. And if you wanted to, of course, you can switch to a side part. So I'm just going to do that right now so you all can see what it looks like wearing a side part. I really love how natural this wig look. I'm gonna pull it up for you guys in a second, so stay tuned if you want to see that. But I just love how easy it is. There's something about the pre-everything wigs that just excite me every time I get one. I'm just like, oh my god, it's so simple straight out the box. The only thing I wish is that they had more in different colors, because we all know the wear go wigs come with the dark colors, but of course sometimes, you guys, we want them in browns too for the ladies that actually, you know, want to wear lighter color hair. So overall, the knots, everything on this wig look good. As you can see, I switched that parting. Looks just as natural. I love the hair texture. It's silky, but it still has a little bit of texture to it. It's not that like super silky. Now, to be honest, with a texture like this, with it so straight, I don't think you could do curls on it and it'll hold for a long period of time, but you could curl it. You just probably will end up with a slight wave. So we're gonna pull it back. I'm gonna show you can wear this in a ponytail if you want to, just because you do have so much lace on the sides. Again, this wig will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to check there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Mwah.